time to make supper. We're gonna have lasagna tonight. It is Monday night, so you guys will see this tomorrow. Shelby's playing with her toys. I just got in. I'm gonna chop up what I need to chop up, get this going. And then I am gonna go and put on some PJs. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients we're gonna use. I'll walk you through and then I'll show you our plate in the evening. This is the way I've made lasagna for a couple years. I love it. It turns out perfect every time and it's actually super duper tasty. All right, I'm gonna use 1 pound of lean ground beef. In that, I'm gonna cook that with some garlic, salt, pepper, some garlic. I'm gonna chop that onion and that bell pepper and I'm gonna season it all very well. Cook up the brown meat till it's brown, and then I will add in my sauce and let it simmer for a little bit. While that is happening, I will be taking this ricotta, 1 egg, probably this whole package of Zesty Italian Seasoning, and some Parm, and I'm going to mix that together. I do not like just using plain ricotta cheese. I really prefer making sure everything is well seasoned. You guys know, you hear me lecture on it all the time. Right now I have 1 jar of plain sauce out. I may pull out the second one. I'm going to look and see as it cooks. I guess you'll see that with me as I cook it. So I have this oven ready lasagna noodles that helps save me a step, especially on a weeknight, to make dinner quick and easy. So then I'm going to top it with this mozzarella cheese. And I'm serving it with garlic ciabatta bread. I might make a salad. We'll see. But it's time to get cooking.
I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause of love. Take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up, we've been at the top. We're finally home. What a release to find one's peace. What a landscape to never be less. Now, years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up, we've been at the top. We're finally home. Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up, we've been at the top. We're finally home. We're finally home. I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream.
Hey guys, I just finished cleaning the kitchen. Dinner was fabulous. That is my favorite weeknight lasagna to make. I have not made it in forever. If I was to serve it for like, I don't know, Sunday supper, I would go into a little bit more elaborate measures, as you know, doing the regular noodles and letting my sauce simmer a little longer, but it was delicious. If you are crunched on time but are wanting such a tasty meal for your family, definitely give that a try. See you in the next video. Bye.